Google released the first beta of Android 17, and it's not just another routine update. This one shakes up how developers build apps, boost performances, and double down on tablets and foldables. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Google is scrapping traditional developer betas and rolling out a continuous canary channel instead. Just like Chrome's early access track, this means approved features and APIs go live to developers immediately after internal testing. These updates will arrive over the air, making testing faster and workflows smoother. Android 17 is also tightening the screws on app design. Developers will no longer be able to block resizing or lock screen orientation on large devices. In short, apps must properly adapt to tablets and foldables. This will end all those awkward layouts and improve the big screen experience. Camera and media apps are getting serious upgrades too. New APIs promise smoother camera transitions and better loudness control, so audio stays consistent across apps. Background audio controls are getting stricter too. Inside the update, Android 17 is also enhancing performance with fewer missed frames and smarter memory cleanup thanks to improved garbage collection. Wi-Fi is also getting an upgrade with better proximity detection and more secure peer discovery. Google is aiming for platform stability by March, with a full Android 17 release expected in the second quarter of 2026. As per last year, Android will follow its 2-release per year strategy, with one major update, one minor, so manufacturers can roll out updates smoothly. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.